You can see that the clouds are over the mountains over there. The sun is up. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And today is Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025. It's a beautiful morning, but it's chilly. And I got up this morning. It was 36 degrees, and there was a freeze warning. Good morning, Crafties. A little chilly in the desert this morning. Freeze warning last night, 36 degrees when I got up at about 6:30 this morning to turn the heater on. Then I went back to bed. Snickers was all cuddled up. Got a shower this morning, feels really good. And got my coat on. It's 41 degrees right now. It is supposed to warm up to about 67, so that'll be nice. But I think the clouds are here for a while. In fact, I saw the forecast for the weekend and it may rain on Sunday. We'll see what happens. Today's adventures, Sharon, Rita, Katie, and I are going to go to the Big Tent RV show and all that's over there. So I have not ever actually walked through the Big Tent, but this year I am going to. So stay tuned for all that happens today.
Just us to watch the world go by. Cities pass and faces change. A journey sweet, sometimes strange. Searching souls, new friends to find. Adventures calling to my mind. Happy to be free like the breeze. No more chains, no more pleas. With my dog we're on the run, underneath the golden sun. Mountains high and rivers deep, memories made ours to keep. Stories shared with those we'll meet, every path beneath our feet. Dancing shadows night and day, life's a game that we will play. Hand in paw, we're feeling strong, singing life's unending song.
At the RV show, going to the Big Tent. Going into the Big Tent. Inside the Big Tent. My first time inside the Big Tent. Of all the times I've been here to Quartzsite, there's a lot of stuff. I just bought one of these keister canes. You sit on it, it's like a cane. It holds 350 pounds. And this is Robert. He just sold me one of these. Yes. He's sitting on one right now. Go ahead and stand up. There it is. There's his. You can fold it up like a cane. You can adjust it up and down, and you sit on it like you're sitting on a horse. And I just bought one. Thank you, Robert. You're welcome. Rita's getting her eyebrows done at Fab Brows. Open your eyes, Rita.
Oh, that's beautiful.
There we go. Beautiful.
Where's the hot tub?
Exactly.
So take the arch of the stencil. You can keep your eyes open.
Ah, it's a stencil.
6 stencils, 2 colors, 2 brushes, and a free pair of tweezers. And we go backwards, and yes, you
Come
can
here.
cover up the white ones that are there. And bam, just like that, you have 2 perfect eyebrows for free. For free.
Wow.
The palette is only $40.
Another beautiful Arizona sunset. Those clouds make a big difference. Clouds make a big difference to make the sunsets happen. Good morning, Crafties. Probably hear all the generators in the background. Everybody turns a generator on in the morning for a while to cook breakfast and charge up the batteries. I did it too. Today is Thursday, January the 23rd, and I'm still at La Posa South in Quartzsite. A big old truck going by. I'm going to turn off a minute. So today is Thursday, January 23rd. I'm still at La Posa South at the Q25 meetup. Today, not a lot planned this morning. However, at 2 o'clock, we're going to have a big potluck. I'm going to be making some Spanish rice and black beans in my Instapot with my generator on. So I'm going to try that. It's the first time I've tried using my Instapot in my RV. I'll try and film some of that. And then we'll go over to the potluck and eat and visit with people. And then I think Traveling Robert is going to host a little talk or something. He's here. The other day, Katie locked herself out of her RV. And it's a Winnebago. And I guess Winnebago only prints 5 separate keys. So someone in the area with a Winnebago could have the same key she does. I tried mine, it didn't work. Traveling Robert has a little Winnebago trailer. He walked over and unlocked her door. So keep that in mind if you have a Winnebago. Somebody with a Winnebago may have your key. All right, talk to you later. It's going to be a great day. Well, it's about 3 o'clock, and I'm going to be starting my beans and Spanish rice in my Instapot. You can probably hear I have the generator on, and the cord to the Instapot's kind of short, so I'm having it on my metal rack here above my sink. And I put the rice in, the rice-a-roni in, and it's on saute with some butter. So I am sauteing the rice right now. It's getting brown. Got to keep stirring it. All right, the rice is sauteed. Now I'm going to pour in some diced tomatoes with green chilies. And I'm going to stir that in. I've still got it on saute. Still got the Instapot on saute right now. Till I get all the ingredients in. Alright. Next, I'm putting in some Bush's Best black beans. I've taken some of the water off and poured it in the other can so I don't pour it down my sink. I don't want stinkies down my sink. And I'm going to stir all that up. Now each rice-a-roni packet had a spice pack, so I've already put one in. I'm putting the second one in. And I'm going to stir that up. And then I've got to put about 4 cups of water in here. Alright, I've put 3 cups of water. Here's the 4th cup of water. And I'm going to stir all that up. Alright, now I'm going to put the lid on it. Okay, I've turned off the saute. And I'm going to pressure cook for, I want to do 10 minutes. 10 minutes, pressure cook. All right, sit back and relax until it's all done. Everybody keeps bringing more food out, and there are more people coming. to eat.
This is
Strawberry
almost a step
rhubarb.
up.
Oh dear, strawberry rhubarb pie over there.
Fingers, you know.
I might have to get some. More people coming over. And I see Darren over there getting his food. Hello, Darren. Good to see ya.
We're trying your rice.
Oh, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.
The painting. Yes.
Yeah, did you like his
The
watercolor?
painting came out really good.
I thought it did,
And I
yes.
saw your post about your rice and beans, so I'm
Trying it out.
Try them.
It's the first time I've cooked it in the pot in my RV. Well, the pot's starting to steam, and I was able to get it over on my stove so I could turn on the vent fan. So the steam's going up into the vent. It's a short cord, so I can't really use an extension, but at least I can get it this far. And there it is, 10 minutes. I've got Spanish rice with black beans, tomatoes and chili in there. And the rice looks very well done, cooked. Now to taste it. It's hot, but tasty. I think I did good. Good job. This is what I'm taking to the potluck tonight. Stay tuned for more. Well, there's where the meet and greet is, all over by the fire pit, but it's too windy and dirty for me to stand over there. Sharon and Rita and I are over here helping get ready for the potluck. Here's where the potluck's going to be. Kind of blocked the wind by these RVs, and we're sitting over here getting things ready for the potluck. We'll see everybody when they get here. After 5 o'clock and everybody's over there gabbing. I'm hungry. We're getting the things are set up here. There's my Instapot with my rice and beans. The plastic one has Sharon's chili in it. Over there we have a little bar going on with chips and dips. And we're waiting for more food. Hey, there's Mark, Ground Adventure, eating tamales.
That's for sure. And this is
And here's some of the group. They're still not coming over for food, and it's almost half gone.
Well, that's their loss.
Yeah, that's right. Traveling Robert is here. Very good to meet you. Got a bunch of YouTubers in this group. I don't know everybody. Food. This is Patty and Mike of Lost RVers. Patty, what'd you think of that rice?
The what?
My rice. What'd you think of the
Oh, it's
rice?
really good. Your beans and rice were wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Or the strength,
Yeah.
the upper body strength, or leg
There's
strength.
Katie of Doofus Adventures.
Are we gonna go through the tequila tonight?
and I go, I don't know. And then she's like,
She's a dead woman.
I say it in a loving way.
There's Gary over there.
You don't know if she's joking or not.
Well, this is all that's left of my rice and beans dish. People loved it. I have a little bit left over to eat in the next couple days, but I think it was very successful. Well, the potluck was fun. We didn't go over to the meet and greet because it was all cold and windy, and they were all meeting over by the fire pit, and there was no fire. So Sharon and Rita and I did not want to go out there and stand in the wind and the cold to meet and greet everybody, but most of them came over to the potluck. So we said hello then, and I did take a few videos then. Traveling Robert was here, as well as Mark Guido, who is YouTube Grand Adventure. In fact, Mark is the person who pretty much plans this Q25. He has lots of helpers, though, that help him out, and it's always been a great place. Then Rita and Sharon and I came back into my RV and watched a movie. It's just too cold out there to be out there. Anyway, tomorrow is Friday, the 24th, and the three of us will be moving over to the Roadrunner BLM to join Adventures with Amanda's meetup. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video today, give me that thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe when joining people for a wonderful potluck and staying inside when it's warm for a movie. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all my viewers, and stay safe out there. Good night.